obviously going to be pleased, but we've also got to remember that still far too many people who are being ill or injured on our roads, and we constantly have to do better. And we do better with having, really effective road policing, but also with local residents, because there are many accidents on A roads and smaller roads. So community speed watch is really key too. When I was first elected in 2012, it wasn't a priority, but goodness me, the local residents certainly made it clear to me that this was a real priority for them. My mailbag is full of issues, whether it's people speeding, using mobiles, or not even wearing their seatbelt. So together we can make a real difference, but it is now a priority. Hence the reason we've done such a major investment in road policing. So as far as speed enforcement is concerned, we now have 9 speed vans and 3 bikes where we go out and we, on a daily basis, monitor speed. I worked with the local authority, and some were more willing than others to put their speed cameras on, their fixed speed cameras on. So we bought quite a few of them for £1, and all the digital ones, most of the digital ones have now been switched on. But I think it's really clear that it has to be enforcement, but it also has to be education. So I'd much rather people didn't speed than actually we catch them. Bank holidays are always their issue because there are just too many of us on the roads, and it's not only motorists, it's horse riders, it's cyclists, it's pedestrians. We just need to be more tolerant of each other. We have to be aware that our roads are very, very busy, and if you're using your car at bank holidays or whenever you go on the motorway, just check everything is working, and then let's be tolerant. It really doesn't matter if you're a few minutes late getting to your destination if you get there safely, and there is no point in trying to churn up someone else just in order to get there a few seconds. Be safe and get there safe.